Okay, what are we going to search for?
A duck.
A duck? Should we look in the water then by the creek over here?
Yeah.
How many ducks have you seen here?
5.
Oh my gosh. What's our one duck's name?
Duck.
Do you think we'll ever see frogs in there? Probably, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I do too. What else would be in there?
I saw another frog yesterday.
You saw a frog yesterday?
These are yummy.
Are they yummy? What are they?
Look at those.
Gardettos.
Big duck.
Whose truck?
Daddy's.
Daddy's. Oh.
And mine.
And
And Mommy's.
Thirsty?
This is a lovely day.
It is such a lovely day.
Oh.
You're the best.
The sun, sweet sun down on me.
Mr. Sun, Sun.
No, I only sing it.
You only sing it?
I see a snake.
Oh, goodness.
We're so annoyed. We can go through this.
It's so annoying, but we can go through it.
Look at this.
A bridge, yes. They are rocks, yep. What are you saying, Mr. Rabbit? Mr. Rabbit, where are you?
A spider web.
A spider web? It looks like a spider web you're in. Oh, be careful. Oh, you got 2 sticks now. Oh my gosh. What, honey? I have them. Your Gardettos, look.
I named them.